welcome to this video, guys. Well, so if you watch my last video, I was doing some pulls and tuning the car by hand, as suggested by one of the subscribers, and it worked awesome. But as I was doing that, first I lost power steering and you can see here why. So the belt is gone, and second, I got a little something in here. So yeah, see, the gasket is sideways, so that means the air came out to the bottom and probably got too hot for the belt. The belt expanded a little and bloop, fly out. So we're gonna figure that out, see if that's what happened, see if there is any other damage around here anywhere. I got a new turbo flange, and I have another turbo laying around, since this turbo here is tiny anyway, and here, and I think I already showed you the other one. I have this stuff here that came from the Infinity that I sold. So this is big, this is tiny, and I have one that is a little bigger than that, so I'm going to replace it. This is a Garrett, but it's kind of making some noise, so I might take out and rebuild it. Maybe using some other build, I don't know, but I'm gonna use a eBay Chinese one, and let's see what happens. So I guess when things go wrong, first thing that we need to see is what went wrong. So first thing I'm gonna check is if this is loose somehow, and this one I expect to be loose. Yeah, I mean, it's easy to move, so yep, I would say it's loose, but this side here I would not expect to be loose. Oh yeah, it's completely loose. So this is exactly what happened. Alright, so it's about to come out. Yeah, this is a close to no good situation. What I didn't do before was I did not put Loctite, I guess. So if you have either on the turbo or anywhere you have these crappy gaskets, a little bit of air escaping, this thing is going to disintegrate. So yeah, this is my gasket. It doesn't look like that it was getting air from it, otherwise it would be black like this little part here, and I don't see anywhere besides like just a little here, but it's not black at all. So yeah, so I assume that this is good, even though it was a little bent on the top. I'm gonna reuse it. I just installed it. So I'm gonna take the oil feed line. Everything is kind of loose already. The new turbo is around 0.63, so this guy here, yep, is 0.63. I don't know what that one is, but this is way bigger, so this is gonna be a bigger spool, and I'm excited to see how it's gonna work. Alright, it's all out. Look at my vest. It's so cold here, and I only have that little thing. So this is the new, this is the old, and the old one, it is a 48, so it's gonna be from 0.48 to 63. One thing I've learned taking those things out is this here got stuck pretty good with the gasket, so if you just prop a little bit, it comes off. So, and then of course you gotta remove the gasket, clean everything up, and put a new one. Right, battery died. I didn't have any more of this, so I didn't want this to dry. I'm gonna throw this away now, buy a new one. So this has a lot of that on the bottom and on the top. I'm sure that that has nothing in the middle. This is also done. One thing I'm going to do this time is, after running for a while, just for a little bit, I'm gonna tighten everything again and see if everything needs a little retighten. And yeah, one bad thing is that turbo is already welded this part in there. This turbo, on the other hand, is not. So if we look at here, let's see here, side by side, same position, right here. So you see the size. So the flange is here. This is going to stick out this much. It's going to be a tiny bit more, but my downpipe was made for this space, so I just wonder if this is going to push the downpipe enough to screw my life, or I got a new TIG welder. I might need to do it myself, but I've never used a TIG, so I need to play around first and see how it is in there, how it looks in there, and all that stuff. Yeah, so let's go to work. And put this right in here. One bolt. One more thing I did wrong on the other videos is I was putting how's that called again? Tape in here, and this here is made to seal. In here it seals in there and then pushes it out. So if you use tape and the tape gets in the way and it doesn't seal that thing properly, then you have a leaking turbo or connection, not necessarily for turbo, but so yeah, just a little update on my learnings. Doesn't need to tighten the crap out of it, it's good enough. This goes in there in a minute, and now I'm gonna tighten the return line. Even though I rotated this thing out there, it wasn't correct, so I needed to rotate again. It was a pain in the butt. And yeah, I'm just trying to tie everything again. There's one left. There's always the impossible one. And well, yeah, check this out. So far so good. The return line is in there. This is 90 degrees perfect. This works perfect. This is there, and we just need to put the other side. Woo! So let me see if somehow I'm gonna be able to make it fit in here. So it is going to work, and I just need to be sure. Yeah, wow, it's gonna be nice. Let me see. Look at that. Just need to make it tighten this guy, and it should all be fine, I think. Yeah, this is touching there. I just need to move back a little bit, but yeah, it's all good.
Yeah, why is it doing the choo-choo noises?
That's coming from the turbo. It's just joking.
So it's like a...
Yeah, like... It didn't do yet. Okay, ready?
Oh my god, I don't like this not having power steering.
That's it.
We're not gonna go sliding around any corners
this is front wheel drive.
Scare the crap out of me.
Let's see. I have turn signal though. Look.
Oh good. We have a turn signal. So happy for us.
Oh wow. It's much faster than the other turbo.
Yeah. How fast are you going there? Oh, great.
Mexico is awesome.
We're going to jail.
There you go. You ready?
Are there cars coming? Oh my god. Marcos?
But it's not like the BMW. And alright, boys and girls, and that's gonna be it for this video. I just want to show you my this happened, and this happened right before I was doing a pull with the truck. The truck was pretty fast, and the guy was following me, and I stopped at the gas station. The guy stopped at the gas station, and then I was like, dude, were you giving to it? And he was like, yeah, I think he said he was putting 5th gear. I should give him my YouTube channel and tell him to identify himself. I don't have the video, but that was pretty cool. If you are the truck guy, hit me up, man. Just leave a little comment here. It's gonna be fun to do it again. And that's it, guys. I appreciate you watching this video. The next videos are going to be probably I'm retuning the car, because changing the turbo, that turbo is gonna bring a little bit more air to the engine, which is gonna make everything go a little bit leaner. So I'm gonna increase everything, and I'm not gonna say what I'm gonna do. Just go to the next video and subscribe, hit the little bell button, make a little comment if you have anything to say, and I'll see you on the next video. Look past my face. See status. I mean, it's a McDonald's.